Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came to one of the famous gardens of Ranchi and you can see the beautiful nature of here. Today I will show you two famous places of Ranchi. Every day I show you my terrace garden, so today I thought to show you all something refreshing. For that, you all have to watch the full video without skipping it. So come, let's enjoy fully today. Now, firstly, I am entering one of the famous gardens in Ranchi, that is Rock Gardens. You can see at the two sides of the road only greenery and greenery, which gives another kind of happiness to our mind. The first plant which I saw at the entrance is Erica palm, which you all can plant it in your home entrance. Now, after this, you can see Nag Champa plant. It purifies the environment, infusing the space with positive vibrations. It is famous for its snake-shaped leaves. This beautiful garden is surrounded by the rocks, so you all should visit the gardens for once. I am sure you would love this place. Then, after roaming around for some time, suddenly I noticed Alavanda plant. It is of pink variety. You can see, without caring much, the plant has grown into so much big tree. It is easy to cultivate, fast growing, and will add color and sunshine in any landscape in no time. Now, this is one of the different but beautiful plant, but I don't know its name. So, if any one of you know this plant name, then please comment and let me know. The inspiration behind this garden is the Rock Garden of Jaipur, which is world famous for its beauty. Now, after spending such beautiful time in this garden, now it's time to go from here. I want to spend more time in this greenery, but anyways, let's show you all another beautiful place. Now I reached another beautiful place, that is Patratu Lake Resort. At the entrance, I saw a big plumeria plant, and after a few years it will become a tree. And if you all want to know about caring of plumeria, then you can click on I button and watch on my video. After this, I saw a beautiful Dracaena plant, which is also an ornamental plant. And the new thing which I saw is that they are trying to make a bonsai of banyan plant in a pot. It is very much attractive. After seeing this, I will also try to make it in my house. Now, you all can see there are so many varieties of croton which is used here as a beautiful landscape. And in between the croton plant, there were some gulmohar trees also. And in Bengali, we call it Krishnochura. Its flowers are very much attractive that anyone will fall in love with this plant. The flowers of Gulmohar appear in loose clusters, each with 5 spoon-shaped petals that have wrinkly edges. 4 are scarlet and 1 primarily white. After moving on further, at one side of the resort, there were many rain lilies planted. You can see the flowers didn't bloom because of no rain from the last 2 days. Now, I guess you all know which plant is this. Yes, it is Euphorbia milli. It is of cactus variety and they are found in many colors, that is yellow, white, pink, etc. Now, I came to the most beautiful side of the resort, the place where I am standing, there are beautiful almond plants, and they have used almond plants as a beautiful landscape. There are so many varieties of almond plants. It is very easy to cultivate, fast growing, and will add color and sunshine in any landscape. Now see the opposite side of the place where I was standing. The place is such a beautiful scene with hills along with the lake. Now coming back to the plant, now this is spider lily. It is also used for good landscaping. As it is a garden, so here every plant is used as a landscaping. Now the last beautiful plant for today is powder puff, which I have seen in this park. The powder puff flowers are the main attraction and the reason for the name. From here I got some mature seeds and I'll definitely show you how to grow this plant from the seeds. And the powdery thing which you all saw, these produces seeds like Aparajita. Now it's time to go back to home, and this day gave me many beautiful and pretty memories to take back with me. So if you all like my today's video, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day.